Today we are going to make Lord Krishna, Krishna Bhagwan Ji. So let us start quickly. For that what we do is, first we make a oval, the face cut of Lord Krishna. Okay, you make the face cut. Can you see, bachas? I am drawing it very lightly because I don't want. Okay, can you see? After that we make the T factor. T factor is usually made so that we don't make any wakda eyes and wakda nose or wakda lips. Okay, after we do this, what we will do is make the turban. So the turban will be somewhere here. Okay, after the turban we shall make the turban this side. Okay, after we make this, we will rub this part, and since it's Krishna Bhagwan, we will have the more punk. Simple, you make a heart, you make one circle, then you double it. Okay, after you double it, you just have to make a leaf. Okay, you just make a leaf. Now if you can see the T factor, our eyebrows will go somewhere like that. Okay, I'm drawing multiple lines. This is the way I usually draw. Okay, multiple lines so that we don't make mistakes. Then the U pattern eyes. See, it's just a simple U. The U should not be steep, it should be Aisa. U and then a dash. Similarly a U here. See, can you see a U here and a dash? Now whether we want the eyes to be open or closed, we'll decide later on. Then again a U. Okay, after you make a U, you take a turn, come back, you take a turn, come back, and you make two brackets. That is the nose part. After the nose part, we will quickly make 3 dashes for the lips. Now 2 U's for the upper. From here we will go up, from here we will go up, and we will make the lips. Okay, smiling person with the flute. The lips are done, the face cut is done. Yes, we'll make the chin a bit more prominent, the thudda part of Krishna. We will quickly make the earrings, small earrings Krishna Bhagwan used to wear. We will make the U is the tikka of Krishna Bhagwan Ji. Okay, the U. Later on I'm going to rub this little because I don't want anything to be seen, everything should be. Then we'll make the curly hair. Okay, first we will make the neck. Okay, let's make the neck. Is it fat? No, it's okay. The neck, this is the turban. Okay, this is the turban. We make the neck, and then we will have some phool mala here. We will be using little acrylic color. Okay, bachus. We'll have the shoulder part here. Then we will have the curly hair here. Okay, the curly hair, this is the varmala. Actually I think so you all are able to see this something from behind. Okay, so I'll quickly turn this here so that you can see it clear. Okay, that was nothing. So, and chalo, we'll make a lotus here. No, let it be. We don't want the lotus. It will become too gicha picha. And I'll rub this. So our drawing is done. Now we'll start with the turban part. I'll take it in breaks so that you all also learn it nicely. The turban parts we will start. So for that what I have taken is this side we'll make a yellow turban and this side we'll make it a little orange. A colorful god he is, so let us give him some colors. See, I'm using black first, bachas. Be very careful when you're using your blacks. I'm just keeping on. See, can you see? जो वो पगड़ी पे सल होते हैं ना, वो सल हम we are making it with black right away. Okay, we are making the sul with pagadi. Okay, so a little part is done. Very lightly I have done. Now I keep this away. I take my dark brown color and just black के बाजू में we will do this ganda wala brown. Children know what is ganda wala brown. My children know. And achak 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 karke we will do brown on black. Okay, after that we'll take the mustard color. Actually it is a mustard color, but nowadays it is called buff. So it is a buff color. And what we do is we smudge it off. Okay, let the little brown which is coming and little black which is coming come, because that is the way we want it to come. Okay, just be careful, don't do like that. You have to flow with the pagadi. Now this pagadi is this way, so you have to flow with the pagadi. ऐसा ऐसा नहीं करने का, ऐसा ऐसा करने का, बस. Be careful when you're doing it. And whatever black is coming out from your buff color, let it come out, yaar. We want it. ऐसा खराब हो गया, don't think it खराब हो गया. अरे, I'll keep these colors away, they're disturbing me. Okay, I hold and I do. I hold and I do, I hold and I do, I hold. See, टीचर का बाहर आया ऐसा नहीं बोलने का, वो बाहरी चे. This is what we want. Okay, so we have done this part of the this part of the pagadi done very well. Now we will again take black. Now we'll make this part. Now the shadow of this pagadi is falling on this pagadi, so this part will be more black. Okay, now this part, जहाँ जहाँ वो पगड़ी का क्या बोलते हैं, सल और the pleats, yes, a better word, pleats. See, I've done the pleats. Now again I'll take my ganda wala brown, and on the black I will do aisa, aisa, acha acha, aisa. Okay, it's a very simple drawing. Just make a undo. You make the T factor and see whether your T is falling in place. Okay, now what we take is our orange color, and then now see how the flow of the pagadi is going this way. So don't color aisa aisa. I've just put a white paper behind because I had made something which is visible. So I've just put a white paper below. Okay, a little bit of orange, but this orange is not looking very bright. So I'll take my red, scarlet red color, the tomato color. Okay, yes, this is better. So I do it with my scarlet red. Okay, we have to smudge. Let the colors come out. Do bindas. ये देखा, bindas करते करते माझं कलर तुटलं. Do it nicely. Flow with the pagadi. So the pagadi is done. The pagadi pagada. No, I forgot this part. Yes, it should come like that. And the pagadi part is done. Now we will start with the skin part. See, for the skin part, how many ever blues I had, I've taken all the blues with me. Now what I will do, first I'll make the shines with white. So I want the shine here, somewhere here. Okay, I want the shine. Acha, the tikka is also going to be white, so I'm doing it white. I'm doing white here. See, if you all can see, it's okay. If you cannot see, you all will understand where my shine is. The shiny nose, the shiny cheeks, the shiny eyes, ikade tikade, and the shiny chin. Okay, if you can see, okay, the cheek is left. Now see, I'm taking my light blue. I'm playing with colors better, that's it. The only thing is that you have to be careful that there should be some shine on the matha. These two cheeks part should be shining. There should be some shine in the eye, and this chin part also should be shining. Okay, so I'm doing a little bit of blue here and there. Everything, first we'll complete the matha, so you all will understand. Okay, after this, the nose part. Now this center part I've given white, so I put light blue on the corners. Okay, I put light blue somewhere here. I put light blue somewhere here. It is just playing with colors. You need not get tensed up. Okay, aisa idhar dalna hai, idhar aisa dalna. Later on we will do this lower part. First we'll complete the face. Now I'm taking this blue. I don't know the name of this blue, but whatever blue it is, I want to take it. Okay. So okay, here. Okay, when it goes down here, it will become. First you will feel अरे बाप रे टीचर तो भूत बना रही है, भूत, पर ये भूत नहीं है रे मेरा बच्चा. It will turn out to be such a nice. Now see, if the light is falling from here, this side will be dark. Okay, we will see if the light is falling. So what we'll do is we'll make these parts dark. Now I take my ultramarine blue, my favorite color, and I do little bit of blues idhar. Then later on it will be the Persian blue. Okay, I'll show you the shadow part. Acha, now I'll take my Persian blue for this part. See, the shadow of the pagadi is falling here, so what we will do is first put little black, halka halka, jast nako. We will put little black, and then where's my Persian blue? Yes, I will put Persian blue at the corner. Tutlo असं असतं माझं color. Now let's do it. Now we take a white and we smudge the colors off. Okay, we smudge it. I'll use a little bit of my finger. I'm so sorry, but I cannot do it with so much of colors in my hand. I'm just smudging the colors which I have used, and wherever I feel I will be putting in more colors. Okay, be careful to go inside. I'll be using my light blue a bit inside. थोड़ा सा जास्त नको, इकडे पण थोडंसं, इकडे पण. This is okay. Yes. See, you need not worry. Just keep one thing in mind, that your light is falling, so this part of the face should be darker and this part of the face should be lighter. Just keep that in mind and keep on doing it. See, this is the eye. Okay. When we do it with black, the show of this. Now you will feel, अरे तो डाको मंगल सिंह दिख रही ले, पर असं नहीं है रे बाड़ा, अच्छा दिखेगा. थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखो बाड़ा, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस. Okay, you have to keep a lot of patience when you are coloring, because you know, once, see, if I would have been, अरे बाबा this is not nice, टाड़ करके पेपर फाड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Everything looks nice, but it should be given good amount of time. Where did my Persian blue go away? Oh my. इधर से हम इसको dark करेंगे. Okay. Now the eye part. Now this part will be dark. Below the eye part will be dark. Slowly you will understand better. No need to panic. See, these are the eyebrows over here. Now we will use a white to smudge it off. Now this is also to be smudged off. This is to be smudged off. Yes. I can see a beautiful Krishna Bhagwan ji getting ready with the makeup. I know you all will say, क्या टीचर को कुछ भी दिख रहा है, मेरे को तो दिख रहा भी नहीं, पर दिखेगा दिखेगा. Have patience, have patience. It's a long drawing. Yes, you all will have to watch carefully each and every step. Okay, I'll smudge it with this. See, I am doing everything in front of you. If I do something and then I leave it, the video is off, and then again एकदम से अच्छा दिखने लग जाता है, तो the children are also wondering, अरे बाप रे, ये स्टेप में से इतना अच्छा कैसे दिखने लग गया. So I don't do that. Let the children see. We also come across. No, we'll use a Persian blue color for this shadow. Okay, we also come across many problems when we do it. You all should see those problems. Once you see that, you will learn better. Okay, we also come across, we also have to keep on fiddling with the colors to see whether everything is getting okay. ऐसा ऐसा करते जाने का, टेंशन नहीं लेने का बाड़ा. गब्बर सिंह के गया, जो डर गया वो मर गया. इसलिए keep on doing it. See, I wanted to put white, I've put white. Don't get scared. But the only thing is that don't use black एकदम से, because if you use black and ऐसा कुछ किया तो वो तो गया, then nothing can be done. Don't use black unless and until you're not very confident. Blacks should be later on. Now see, the shadow of the nose is falling here. Okay, so I have put this part as a darker part. Okay, now a little bit of black, a little bit of black for the shading part. Then I shade it with blue because nothing is black. Now be very careful. Now I'll do the eyebrows. See very carefully. I'm doing the eyebrows. Now can you all see the tikka part? Yes, you all can see the tikka part. For that, what will we do is, we cannot use what do you call, the pencil or the borders to do it. So what we will do is shade the side parts. Okay, then we shade it with white. We use a little tinge of black. Actually, if you are having a Staedtler pencil with you, nothing like it better. See, this is the shadow part. It will all become okay. Later on, you will understand what I have done. Now the pinky ponky lips. We'll be using a little bit of acrylic color too, bachus, for the. Now this was the dash, this was the eye. Okay, so the eye should be Aisa and say Aisa Kajrali aake. Okay, eye should be Kajrali. After that, we use our ultramarine blue to give a few. Okay, so this much is done. Now what we do is make the middle part of the lips. Okay, we make the middle part of the lips. The lower part and the upper part will be done with pink color. Oh, this is a fluorescent pink color. See, we haven't bordered the lips. Now what we do is put a little bit of black here below, little bit, then we smudge it with blue. We smudge it with blue and we drag it with light blue. Okay, we drag it with light blue. And then we use our whites to do this, the chin part, okay? Now this part is going to be brighter. There is light falling on this part. Yes, this part is going to be brighter. There's light falling here. And okay, this is nice. Now what we do? Now can you see this is the jaw line? अभी जॉ लाइन पे एकदम कालियां मार देने का, असं काला मार दिया. Okay, after you do this, you can extend it to some extent. Then we will use this blue for the shadow. See the shadow, if the light is falling from here, the shadow will be here. Okay, so what we do, we pull this color out for the shadow part. The jawline is not Kalia Baba. The jawline is blue. Okay, now light is falling from here, so this part will be white. Light is falling, light is falling, light is falling. Then we use a light blue. Achha, now I'm coloring the entire part, but remember the garland will be made with acrylic later on. So you don't worry, I'm just coloring the entire part light blue, and I'll do the smudging and I'll show it to you. Okay. See, this is the body. The garland will be made, don't you worry. Acha, over here also we'll make a little bit of white. Light is falling here. Light, kai zala asa. See, we also make mistakes, but you should know how to rectify it. Once you can rectify it, nothing like it. Can I take it a little up? Yes, I can. See how I am coloring. Even a junior KG child will do it better than me, but I am just coloring it. Fun. Now I'll take my ungala and I'll smudge this bit. Smudge the color nicely. I told you all can use tissues, you all can use earbuds. Never used it in our life, so not using it. Okay, either kala hai, don't worry, I'll cover it with my paints, acrylic paints. Okay, no tension lene ka, tension dene ka. Okay, now this is the Krishna Bhagwan ji ready. This I'm smudging it off. Wait, I'll smudge it off with light blue nicely, because a little bit of darker shade will come till here, because this is the shadow part. Okay, after this we can take fluorescent yellow also if you want. We'll make the earrings. Okay, let the earrings shine, let little blue color come on it. And now we're going to make the hair. Now the hair part will be black. Okay, I tell a lot of okay na, but still you all should know. See, this and jumpa jumpa patapa la patapata. We'll use a little bit of acrylic. I'll have to stop the video because I have not kept my acrylic with me. Then again I'll use acrylic and I'll show you how it can be done with the ghungarale ball. Ghungarale ball. Itapata. Should we take the shandy down? Yes, we'll take the shandy down. It'll look pretty and my fault will be rectified. Ghungarale ball, ghungarale ball. Hey, jumpa 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 jump. अच्छा, अपना ये रह गया. I forgot. Okay, this is done. Now the mala we will make with acrylic, so we'll have to wait for that. I'll go and get my acrylic color tinted and karke, and now we will make this part. Okay, so for making this part, first the inner part has to be blue. Aisa blue. एक टुचकी छोड़ने का, and then you do gulli gulli, then you take your white and you do chicka chicka cha, then you take my favorite papatya and then you color green, then you take purple. Let us take purple. You can use any damn colors, whatever you feel you want to use, please use them. See, an artist can make a black crow colorful. So whatever comes to your mind, you can do that. Now I use my fluorescent yellow to do this. Okay, and then I use my darker greens, my emerald green, my dark green, isa, okay, to make the more punk. Then I use one more shade of green. I'll use blues also. See, you can make beautiful things. Bindas, no tension, nothing. See what I have in my hand, let it be whatever it is, I want to do it. Okay, a long video, I know. You have an option, you can go to 2x and then you will hear Tanu auntie say you can hear me like that, fast forward me. I enjoy that more when I hear my own voice in that form. It's fun, it's really fun. Okay, now what we are doing is the background. So what should we use for the background? I have to do the garland also, but first let me make the background. Not understanding. Let me make the background a little lighter shade. Okay, I've used black, so I'm a bit careful when I take it inside. Then I can do the ghasar patti. This is the grey rose color or the rose grey color, whatever it is called. मजा आता है. You can use this color and you can change the color also in between. We'll take a little bit of blue. Playing with colors should be the hobby of every artist. When you play with colors, you understand what beauty comes out when you use different colors differently. See, now what I do, I smudge these two colors. Okay, I smudge them off. Now see, no, not this way. I'll use the same shade here. I will khasau this color, take it out, use the same shade. बिटी बटर जैसा हो गया. Okay, now I'll take this, not the blue color, let me take the Popatya green. Okay, I take the Popatya green here till here because okay, I smudge it off. Pretty. Now let me take my yellow. I'll take my yellow for this part. Okay, I take my yellow for this part. Let us finish it off with yellow. No props. See, little bit of black has come, but it's okay. All okay. Now I take my black. Here it is. I take my black. I make this border. But see, children, you're not supposed to make this border. So what will we do is take your ungla and smudge it off, because we don't want an exact border. So border का border हो गया, smudging की smudging हो गई. Okay, I know this video is going to be very long. What to do? Acha, what do? I make the garland and show it to you. Tan tan! I bought my acrylic white. See how shiny it is. And I have a chapku brush. See, 2 number, I don't know whether 2 number Pachkela brush. Now what you are supposed to do is just take acrylic color and we are making mogra. Mogre ka jhaad. Chaka chaka cha, chaka chaka cha, tapata tapata patapata. It's done. Dikkidi 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 dikkida. Itum patakata patakatum patakata. A simple way of making the garland. Done, bachos. Children, I just forgot one small thing. See, what you can do is you can take your patlu brush and tikke ki jagah pe you can use your acrylic white. That will give you more shine. Because first I thought, you know what, I'll do little cheating. I will just make the tikka and put in the final product. But then I thought, no, it is cheating. The children should know I have done this. So just a 2 minute more. We can do one shine here also. Now forget. And a little bit of shine here and here. Done.